In fact, funny face mompa wa jimiyo yaka adwene de ni petrima ebi na ni trim. Enti de Vanessa aye nyina chi nyina funny face SIN ne ko back.
Congratulations. I am happy for you. I am not happy. It is another time bomb ready to explode.
Se asamba obia ne se de osi ehunu. Ana obia so ne nti ase e wasem no ho. Enra ana mbro video am ka kire o se finally Vanessa funny face ni Baby Mama Vanessa Nicole any funny face nana yaw omo aba back together as I just odono as we try am do be ayin kra na manfo ni bi ani agis oh ye danyame ase but trouble Carlos any Afia Schwar nigga so mu asem ka ho no mo de nkwase ade pa na funny face edi the funny face ese aka so age Vanessa back ya nkwase ade na Vanessa be finish funny face finfinam Penyah block media mess was say dey mu obe like video no other above subscribe button so be click button face na latest updates na be chere wa adwen dia mama e wo comment section mess was so no achi video for so anya bi ahwe ejeje the life of Vanessa Nicole and funny face yenim the SCA the previous years what I say mental trauma nyina be ma funny face e ko ho ankafonya say enim story no that yenim the SCA na enra ana mbro video ka tro say Vanessa Nicole finally on the funny face they are back together as odono wa so twan mama
We're declaring this tonight.
Amen. To me that would be.
Odona so twan issue way up on the internet na Ghana for because they can dey hunkomo e media no say nice say Vanessa Nicole any funny face they are back together because even for the sake of enkwara no nti no but they answer ombe behave as adult omunya nkwara nketu ansensem they should behave now as adult omuno bi anya akora montias monkam humom na mun for don't na munya ejime no montena munya ejime na montena siye what I say munya ejime no na montena siye ejagara for be any age enra na trouble Carlos any Afia Schwar nigga omu hwa dididi no so debi kwase dia yentuase mprenu ana say abono nya ne won kawa on finish nkyerɛw e funny face Vanessa finish nkyerɛw on many occasions then na sie tendre what's akwaji Vanessa so dey tira trouble character say dey nkwase ade ana funny face adie no
Ragazzi asamaba. In fact, funny face mompa wa jimiyo yaka adwene de ni petrima ebi na ni trim. Enti de Vanessa aye nyina chi nyina funny face SIN ne ko back. Na ada o pese we die okɔwie na like as a word o pese okɔtwe ne nso no funny tunu ma na comment na ekoso internet no ebi no mehu ni nyina ɛhɔ na mehunu se enkrofo bi wo hɔ no ma adwene de ni petrim ne bi no mutrim. First of all, mobayen kanfu Kwaku Manu. Kwaku Manu is a brother. Yakasa Kwaku Manu a brother. Adia Kwaku Manu wajen watiasefo asase so no sanke cut down in the history. Yen nyina yenim the funny face ekom a just say was so yakra meka utrum like ne map say Ella and Bella omu nyina ye mwa just the boy was going through all because of Nawaria a call off. Oko true no monka unu se Vanessa so she was going through as well. Omumi enu nyina it wasn't easy for them. kwaku manu etimi aboa funny face a make sure say ne ho ebeto no ne ho ato no asa so make sure say na warrior no obesa so asa asiesie no ama osiesie no a assistant right now one Vanessa umaka bom a omokwa akohwe omo emma no ede ba de na efe chense ede ba de na efe chense but enam say Ghana for yanwina adwen papa da bie negative no negative whatever it is yet up isu ne ebo ehu bayi ene we de obesa so oku no ene we de returning back we de o de ko sign no kra say omo relationship no say last for even a day and half for krana at least they know from their heart to say omo sa a try be say omo ba try 100 times and e be adwuma they need to keep on trying. And your mindset in a day trim, and we can achieve nothing. No. Obi person about brochiwa, trying to bear 50 times. When give it up, and now approach it. Our bear son, a farmer, a pekiamano. Obi a warrior gu ye were trying to bear 200 times. And pekiamano, a warrior in the kuno, Obi so try a man because of sour in intino, were successful. Yes, say get rich or die trying. As simple as ABCD. Adie bia upeni ye bia no bre. Enti no funny face. Vanessa ema munti obia na me dedicated that lumba nyom. O dedicated man ninua Charles Kefusu ana mewa. Eye Kefusu whatever the name is. O dedicate ana me de mamo. Ema munti obia muni mudo me say last for 2 hours okra na ye besa try biom. Arrivederci.
Na Afia Schwar so on pa de. Oh no pa de. This coming back when pa there or ni omu enya adwene or no mu nya adwene say te now this is a time bomb very soon it will explode again na enye fedi agro.
Congratulations, I am happy for you. I am not happy. It is another time bomb ready to explode. Vanessa is not good for funny face mental health. Funny face is not safe. Vanessa is not safe around funny face. Vanessa is not good for funny faces mental health. It's the truth. It is just the truth. Funny face is a control freak, and Vanessa can't be controlled. And so, funny face, Vanessa is, and Vanessa, she knows how much I love her and how much I care about her. But Vanessa, it's not good for funny faces mental health. And on the other hand, Vanessa also is not safe around funny face. And we've all witnessed a whole lot of domestic violence, and I'm speaking as a domestic violence advocate. If it is co-parenting, we thank God, because I was a funny face it was a funny face under no circumstances. And I am blocking my children from getting their fatherly love and their fatherly support. And everybody needs a father. So co-parenting, yes. Relationship, the underlying condition of violence is so vast that this will be a time bomb again. Co-parenting, yes. Relationship, me, Afia, I cannot say I'm happy for them when I know eventually one will kill one. It's the truth. I have been in a domestic violence situation and nobody can tell you that story better than me. Nobody. Co-parenting is wise. Funny face and Vanessa coming back together when we all know, say, funny face are joining it. Sebi when you are dreaming, you are here. I think that they won't turn on. Vanessa will do something that it will trigger that. And Obi aditi ene yano or the adiabo or the abo. So co-parenting, I have always been advocate for co-parenting. You don't have to be friends. You just have to be consistent because of your children. But relationship, the underlying domestic violence that we've all witnessed, it's a murder case. It's an upcoming murder case. The more than Sababono, Obebo Bill, a tosoko, no, one foul bag and caught sa and 9 bakubu. Baku and Wabaku Bidi Baku, then best when you are paying after one foundation, which is called Leave to Live Foundation. Leave to Live Foundation. It's 8 years old. May establish it in 2017. Now, through my Leave to Live Foundation, even through the help of Yvonne Okoro, through the help of the actress Yvonne Okoro, we've been able to get medical help for a lot of women outside the country. One thing I don't do is I do not I don't post domestic violence victims. No, that's not what I do. I don't project them. I don't post them because that's not what the foundation is about. The foundation is about giving comfort and solace to women who are in bad relationship and really don't know where to go. And through my foundation, I've seen a lot. I've encountered a lot of women and a lot of men as well. So among other things. Dr. Rain also has Fanny undergone a dark cause for better. I don't know. Dr. Rain, I don't know. You see, this is it. In Africa, I'm saying it because I was in a domestic violence marriage for 3 years. And I had to walk out. I mean, I had to make a clear cut with my family. And even after I left the marriage, 3 months out the way, the man came to my house to abuse me again. And this is the pattern. One of the partners will be in an abusive relationship, and the church will get involved, and the family will get involved, and they will speak to the two parties, and what they don't do is they don't tackle the underlying condition. Becomes like Nentribini, and need the name by Chiripat Asia Pacha. Dr. Ren, are you getting me? African homes and African families will not recommend counseling, will not recommend therapies. They feel like Sasofumamia Kabina or Fabia Kabia, it should be okay. The underlying problem will not be handled. So then it becomes like Nentribini. Asia Pacha need the Mutia Swano, when I see Swanim was out. And then, because the man has got an underlying anger and the woman has got an underlying anger, and they are being coerced or forced to live together, eventually, what a shock. And mostly because women are the weaker vessels, we tend to be the victims. Because Dr. Ray, so I used to do it, but you see, at this point in time, Ghana phone any baby may waste my time on mobile. Say I cried there. And me too will be for crime because pick it. No, I just said, may you have a hand to me for later. And one I will be say, what have wrong meats now, Barry. Omudi girls ni na ehia me mpa me yire na me kra me yire me ne nkasa me be ma ka kire me se one ne yire omuti fie keke omu nkasa hwa no hwe o hwe ne yire one ne yire nkasa but 2 years bi omu ya adore one ne yire na won pelu mpo bente ya na ne yire ni timi ni me. Say Abema catch and say you have a bag now car and feed him. One day the year in Casa. And so 2 years be only adore. One day the year in Casa. And so said the TB, dear son was so coffee. They didn't know the Casano. They didn't know the Casano. We are down now in China, we will coffee. Won't me far war and trap it, Bema Diao. Won't me far war and trap it, Bema. Bema be an old giant, ever waddle because only now war. Oba, who was swan chocolate? Come here, body, my name, Castle. I mean, what I'm for your friend Linda. Linda, not really could know. Money more. Ah, we a young girl. Tiasana make a show, protect your sanity. Tia protect your sanity. Now, what would you wait? We give you about when you're being share. And probably about when you're being share. What my dear? So I will now ban what it is. Now, I said, yeah, Afia Schwar snake among your mummy. Now, when you be a
Nanayo Watson, aka Funny Face. On the Baby Mama Vanessa, waka boom. Nkama waka boom, the video lucho go social media no do gidi. Waka boom, me she other co-parenting. I was subema on your bad. I mean, obi anyina wo there were na sabi on your bad. Into no sisi ampere mbisa on online in-laws. Sisi alwo beden. One na wale she Funny Face arubenye sisi why third person. Tembia ya catch on do obi no obi o sabi we di won ho da. Elu to one for sheni ele ka won asam so sheni yei obi na bi we won mo ne kede that day. Eka ka won asam ebe ye third person te kaka bia na aka ne kakra bi na ada won ho ko. Into online in-laws is your beden. Me with the comment section as no obi si bro Vanessa want to finish your kwata obi so sende bread anya there anyina ka bom tell ke keja ho na able to my relapse because depression the onko into no hem nkofo bebre wo kire won adwen but ameme den there one ma yen for positivity yen fendi won echi no one co-parents no e fair sabita fracture da ma sami no de da me co-parenting ni no de issues nyina or the bent one may have sunsum na ya hoden na enim pai boy fan time Funny Face nature none of Vanessa want to moon co-parents ebusuafo na one day negativity no yes round one na brother na yo mo asam piko but I had a konwe nti e be share okona side o nti ebusuafo me be ma asamanyo online in-laws olokodo one side eye on one time bia wo be third person and cha say one jono one ho attack them you know what attack one share sisi one white person one bye bye
Amen.
Funny Face and any Baby Mama Vanessa right now they are back together. Na yemfa aseda kese emma kwaku menu bra kwaku on na yesade we nyina on the mystical twins say sango for from say omo and omatimi atena say aka asem yema say Vanessa is what their chef Funny Face funny e piano or their chef Funny we ma mu say wi say oni nyansani na ma udidi free but so oni kwase aso nante a police station enko Tiebimo, Mrs. Oni Yansani nama udidi free na kwasia de oni nama police station kwa bra kwaku asema mpanimfo afratena se aka obi etimi aka no enne kwaku menu aka asema nama Vanessa and Funny Face they are back together bra kwaku nyame nhira wati said o si twe Funny Face ben ho esesa Funny Face free ne nyoma bi mu obi ase Funny Face abodam ya to na jeje mu na bra kwaku timi twe ne bata ne ho na o kyerɛkyerɛ ne nyoma bi ti na nima bi kokɔ yie ma no say ne yire Vanessa etna media no hwɛ ni kunu say and a friend say Brian ya what come I'm to see Vanessa see or their channel and to see the funny face and Vanessa they are back together no matter on because and granted na funny face important but say no o yi na ni free nkura so kakra na Vanessa who say Brian ni ya da ho amase see the o masaba betina and that is information e wo ho no
it wouldn't say more future as nigga any trouble Carlos I want the cancel for us a funny face and the Baby Mama Vanessa are back together also with my channel amame our comment section I Penyah Media Accra.